Hey guys, Califab here, and today is yet another project pan intro. I told you, you will see a lot. This month I have a couple, maybe one or two more, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. One more for sure, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But this one is one that I wasn't actually originally invited to, but they're opening it up to everyone, so I'm doing it. It is the Partners in Cream project pan. There are like 50 ladies, I think, at least now, that there have been quite a few that have added on. So I am just adding on to this. I want to try to get through some of my cream products. That is what the goal of this is, since cream products go bad quicker. So Dalin, is that how you pronounce her name? D-A-L-I-N, and also Steph have created this project for everyone, kind of collaborated together and created it. So people are either doing it here on YouTube or on Instagram. So I will leave as much information as I can find down below. Like I said, I wasn't originally part of it, but I am now. So we are picking, I think it's 4 to 6 products you're supposed to pick, and it is a rolling style, and it's kind of open to interpretation. So you can do lipsticks, foundations, color pop, you can do so many different things as long as it's not a powder product. So that is my goal. I'm actually using this to kind of get through some of my cream products to see if I actually like the products, and then my other side is that I want to actually finish things up. So without further ado, let's do this. So I have 4 products here, 2 of which I want to finish in this project, 2 of which I want to test out and see if I like, and then I'm going to be spinning the wheel of tiny decisions to find out my last product. So we'll do that last, but I want to show you the 2 things that I want to finish in this project. Hopefully by the end of the month I will have this first one done. I'm hoping 2 months for the second one. We'll see. So the first product I picked is the Essence Pure Nude Makeup Natural Finish No Makeup Feel. This is an airless pump, so it's going up. Clearly, you can see I have tried to pan it in the past. It's actually up here now. I'm not even going to bother marking it. I truly think that there's maybe a couple uses left on it. Ooh, I just threw it. It is beautiful though. I really, really love this foundation. It is almost gone. It gives me such a beautiful natural skin finish, and I love it. They don't sell it anymore, unfortunately. Essence needs to bring this back though. This is more so like a BB or a CC cream, but with a little bit more coverage. I don't know. I love this so much. I'm kind of sad to see it go, but it's ready to go, and I just want to finish it. So hopefully this will be finished in about, I don't know, a couple uses by the end of the month, I'm hoping. So we're doing our updates on the 10th of the month. Everybody posted their original video on the 10th, so that's what I'm assuming the updates are going up. So I'm going to try to keep involved in the 10th of the month. You guys know, my schedule's a little all over the place, but we'll try. Okay, the second product is something that I actually got from a girlfriend. She did not like it. You guys have seen this before, and I want to finish this product as well, hopefully within a month or 2. I'm hoping it won't take too long, but this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Light Neutral, and it is a little dark on me. I'm not gonna lie, but it is really, really well used. When I got it from her, it was almost basically full. She really didn't use it very much. And I've actually really enjoyed this one. The one that I originally bought in the No Filter Concealer, it was way too dark. So she had bought this color and didn't like it. So I was like, you know what, why don't we can I have that one? Because I want to try it in a lighter color that it would actually work for me. And she said yes, and I've loved it. So really, really been enjoying this. It is looking like it's starting to go off, but that also might be because I use it so often. So hopefully this will be gone within the next month or 2. Hopefully. Should I write down how many uses these have until I finish them? Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see that. I usually like to weigh things as well, but I don't know. I'm just not having the weighing thing right now. Maybe I'll do the number of uses. We'll see. Okay, the next product I have is a liquid highlighter, and you guys know I love the Becca Moonstone Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid in Moonstone. What? Shimmering highlight, you know what I mean. Shimmering Skin Perfector. That's what it is. Okay, but this is one that I've been dying to try. I bought this little teeny tiny size from Ipsy for $3, which is way too expensive for this. I should have just bought the full size from the brand on the 50% off sale. But anyways, this is the Balms Mary Duminizer, the Liquid Mary Luminizer. So I really have been dying to try this and have seen it in my collection, and I'm just like, you know what? Let's just do this. It does have the doe foot, which I absolutely love. Look at that shine. Oh my gosh. I feel like you could even wear that as like, I'm not gonna lie, as like an eyeshadow, but once you rub it in, obviously I've swatched this before, but once you rub it in, it's just like got the most beautiful glow to it. Look at that glow. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Yes, so I don't know. I'm just going to, I don't know, I was going to say a number of uses, but it's so small. It's only 0.1 fluid ounce. Let's see how big the Becca one is. This Becca one I use very, very often, and it is 0.17 ounces. No way. Okay, so this one's 0.17 fluid ounces. This is 0.1 fluid ounce. So considering that amount of product, this must have a lot of packaging or something. I don't know. That doesn't look right to me. But considering that, I'm going to test myself to use this 20 times. So I'm gonna have to write down my usage, so I might as well just write it down for everything. So I am going to use this 20 times. If I'm almost done, like if it's almost gone, I'm just gonna use it up, but we'll see where we're at next month. Okay, the last product that I've picked out before testing out is actually a cream contour slash bronzer that I've never tried. I have swatched many times and it blends out like a freaking dream on my hands, so I'm dying to try it. I was gonna put it on today and then I totally forgot, so it needs to be like in my drawer right in front of me, and it is from Tristique. It actually looks like a big Crayola pencil, which I think is adorable, but it is, oh, I love the magnets. You guys, the magnets are so satisfying. Okay, anyways, this is in the shade, it says Color and Contour Cheek Stick in the shade Brazilian Bronze. And that is what she looks like. I've literally only swatched it. That's it. So I really actually have no idea how much product is in here. So I'm curious to see. Oh, there's really not like a super duper amount of product, but that would last me a really long time. And I mean a really long time. So yeah, I'll swatch this for you. So when you swatch it initially, it looks really daunting. Like, that looks crazy. But as you blend it out, look at that. It just blends out like a dream. Look, I just have like a shadow. Oh, like that looks gorgeous. So it is a very sheer formula, which I do really like. Also, the bottom, it says brush inside. There's a little blending brush, which I actually might try. I typically don't try the brushes that come with things. Ooh, I need to wash that first. But I am excited to try this, and I think I want to get myself to use this 10 times. Something like this, I'm not going to finish it. I just want to see if I like it, and 10 times is a really fair amount of usage to try this. Okay, last product. So as I was going through my collection, when I put all my stuff away from my drawer, I realized that I have so many Super Shock shadows that I don't touch very often. So the two that I always keep in my drawer, you guys will see this soon, or maybe you've already seen it in my Shop My Stash. I always keep two in my drawer. I always have Amaze and Lovely. They both have a crazy amount of pan, and I use these ones all the time whenever I feel like my look is just really lackluster. So now I have this Tiny Decisions app, which is, I don't know, but I decided to put all of my ColourPop Super Shock shadows, which is too many. I don't even want to count, but that's what it looks like. See how many colors there are in there? So it says which cream eyeshadow. So eventually when I'm getting really low on the ColourPop Super Shocks, I am going to put in my like stick shadows and my Stila ones and stuff like that. But right now I just really want to get through some of my ColourPop ones, and my goal is going to be to hit pan, / use it at least 10 times. So some of them are really close to hitting pan already. Some of them I actually covered up the pan. I'm not gonna lie, I had already hit pan on them, but I covered it up, you know, just for fun. But yeah, at least 10 times I want to use it or hit pan on it. So let's make a tiny decision. So I am going to push the button and we'll see what color comes up. Fringe. Ooh, I am not sad about that one. Let me go grab Fringe. Well, took me forever to find, but here she is. This one, I have used it. There's my proof Fringe. And this one's definitely one I have gotten some love out of. A lot of these I have used many times, but not enough to call it a fair usage. So let's get a good swatch of this. I can tell this is definitely going to hit pan very soon. This is very similar to the lovely shade in my drawer, so I'm not sad about it. There it is there. It is gorgeous. It will probably look beautiful on literally any eye color I have. I can top it basically on anything. So this is a really good color for me to start with because this will be a really easy color for me to wear to work. I do have quite a few colors in there that are going to be a little bit more difficult to wear to work, but that's the only way I'm going to make this project work is if I do my makeup for work. Work, work, work. Work, 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 work. You know what? I really want to add in one more product. I'm doing 6 products. I wasn't gonna do this, but I really feel like I need to. So I'm gonna add in a palette, but it's really not gonna be the palette. It's just gonna be the cream on the bottom. So this is the Balm Voyage or Voyage. I love saying Voyage because I feel like it goes with the theme. Anyways, this is volume 2, so like the boat one. And we have 2 shades down here. We have Benvendo, which is the reddish one, and Ciate, which is the pinkish one. Ooh, these are probably gonna go bad soon if I don't use them. So, whew, they really need to be revived. I think I'm gonna go with this Ciate one just because I feel like it needs to be used sooner. So that is the orange color there. Here it is on my finger. And it's really, really sticky. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to use this as a lipstick. I think it's a little bit too far gone for that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to revive that a little bit. Look at that, it looks gorgeous. I bet I could probably use these as like an eye base too. I don't know. I'm gonna drop some Marajo oil in here. Maracuja oil, that's what I wanted to say. I'm gonna drop some Maracuja oil in here and let it sit overnight like so. That way it can kind of soak into the product and get it a little less dry because it's real dry. And that way I can use this as a cheek product. I think that would look really, really good with my skin. Obviously not that bold. I will, you know, feather it out. But we're gonna try to make it work, and I think I can. I think I can make that one work. So we're gonna go with 6 products apparently because I like to overindulge. So yes. All right, you guys, that was it for my Partners in Cream. I will see you on the 10th of February for this project. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. I filmed so many videos today. I'm like over it at this point. I probably have makeup all over my face, not on camera, like in real life, because you know the lights blow it out. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the idea of this project, and I can't wait to start working on some of these items and see what I like, what I don't like, and what's gonna work for me and what's not. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.